got a new one, the Beast Pro Bronco, which I didn't know the Beast made them, but I got the Beast Pro car, which on the box it says Pro and Max. But look at the bottom, it tells you exactly which one you got. I got the Pro, which is not the brushless motor, but whatever. But here to show you all as I open it out of the box. Turn it this way. Here we go. Open it on the wrong end this time, but try to flip it around. Get some of this stuff out. You bugger butt. Got my fingernail on that one. The whole car's the whole thing. Okay. Look at that pretty little thing. Pretty cute, ain't it? I guess it's the same size as my other car. Box is a little smaller, but I think the receiver come in the front. But a little skid plate metal on the bottom. Set all that over there for a second. Don't have no oil filled shocks for sure. Alright, let me see if I can figure out how to open this thing, because it don't have any pins. I don't want to break it. There it is, just like a magnet. It just raises back like that. Pretty cool. But you can see how it has a little dude in it. Stuff if you can see, but that's it there. And it comes with a battery in it and an extra battery, which is a small battery, which it ain't a big car. It's a 2S, which comes with the charger, cord, battery, screwdriver, and a plastic wrench that has one hole. Whatever, but yeah, right there's a magnet that tack it together. But yeah, I mean, pretty cool, I reckon. And this right here is the Max Pro, or the Beast Pro, sorry. I think I've been saying that wrong the whole time, but it's a little bit smaller. Wheelbase is a little smaller, about an inch. Width-wise, I mean, probably about half inch, maybe quarter, somewhere in there. But let's open them up and see what difference is between the insides. Because they're supposed to be pros. So we'll figure that out right now. Got my finger in that one. But you see that one. And then that one. Let me do it this way where I can hold that one better. Yes, I can lift this up by the tail, hopefully. I don't know if you can see the difference or not in them. I mean, there's a big difference in them, so maybe the little Bronco might go a little better. This one ain't all that fast, but it's fun, It's not like that one or the WL Toys car. I got that little thing's fast. And I bought it before they went up on the prices, but yeah, just wanted to share the Bronco with y'all. I'll let it run up there, and just looking at that. Look at that little itty bitty connection. Oh, Where do you plug in at? That's gonna be the next thing I figure out. Oh, I see it. There's an itty bitty little 2-prong, different one. Just you find something different every day. But when I do a run the test, I'll let y'all look at it and record it. Which I got a new pair of glasses that record. And I also got one of the mini cars I'm gonna play with at the same time. Y'all take it easy and God bless. Got magnets. No pins. And the other thing I was gonna mention, if you look at that, that's receiver. It's got on dip 1, 2, 3, and 4 on it. It's got the lights. It's got throttle and throttle, and steering. It's kind of different, weird, but different. But it's got the foam. But I'll figure out how I like it. See what it's all about. But as long as I guess it makes the car go, that's all that matters, right? See if I can get this thing out. It takes AA. I was waiting for it to take AAA, but it don't. But yeah, there y'all go. Like I said, God bless. Have a good day.